a shitty place to meet. Wide open. Check the highways.
Yeah, I'm not seeing any roadblocks yet. Darren's gonna be pissed.
About what?
Ditching Billy.
I don't give a shit. Screw him.
What is up with you?
Nothing.
You've been acting weird all day.
That's just my personality, bro. Seriously, though. I've been thinking about Baz. Feels like we're forgetting him.
It's not true, man.
You ever think it was Smurf who had him killed?
No. No way. Why, you hear something?
Maybe.
From who?
Doesn't matter.
No. No, that can't be
He
right.
stole Smurf's shit. He framed her for murder. You think she's just gonna let that go?
Well, Baz's family.
Yo,
No, it's them.
who's this?
Who is that?
Who's that?
Who is that?
Don't worry about it. She's cool.
Who is it?
She's cool, man. Let's go. Where's Billy?
He was being an asshole, so Pope threw him out.
Are you kidding me? Wait, you guys just left him there?
Yeah.
We can't do that,
Why?
man. Because this is his job.
During his job, he wanted to score, so that's what he's up to.
No, that's bullshit. We gotta go back.
I told you the cops were onto us. Are you out of your mind?
All right, it's fine.
Let's go.
Hello, Billy.
Smurf, what's up? Are you out?
Surprise.
Yeah, that's good, man. That's great. Wow, when did you get out?
Are you with my boys, Billy?
No, I was with them, and now I'm at a truck stop, and so.
Where are my boys?
They had to go somewhere, and they had to go someplace. So. You sound good. You good?
Yeah, I'm great.
Okay. You sound good. Hey, is Frankie around?
Frankie's in the shower.
So, would you just tell her, give me a call when she comes out?
Not a problem. Anything else?
No, I gotta go, actually, because,
Billy. I can't wait to see you.
Bye. Shit.